Alright, what we're going to do next is we're going to put in some casework for our kitchen and bathroom, our kitchen cabinets and our bathroom vanities. I've actually already placed one in this bathroom. As you can see, I kind of, not the biggest bathroom for a house of this quality. Probably should have a bigger bathroom. I would have to do some other adjusting or whatever. I kind of ripped them off. They only get one vanity in here. I could make some other adjustments to make that better, but I'm just going to leave it there like it is. But to place cabinets, what we want to do is up in the left portion of the screen, it says components, and that's what we want to do. Is we want to place components, and that is anything other, and we'll go back here and look at this real quick. Components is anything other than windows, doors, walls, columns, roofs, ceilings, floors, or any of this other stuff over here. So basically anything else like televisions and chairs and plumbing fixtures, things like that are all placed under the place component. So to find your cabinets or your what we call it casework actually, but let me go back into modify place. There we go. Now I've already got one loaded currently. It's a vanity. That's the one I placed here in this bathroom. I'll actually go ahead and place one in this bathroom as well. Now when you're holding the casework, the cursor favors the back side, the side that should face the wall. And you can use your space bar to flip that around so that it will go up against the wall. All right, and we're going to place one there, and I think that is it. We're not going to place any other ones. Nope. Don't have a whole lot of room in that bathroom either, but that one is okay. And yeah, it's placed right. Excuse me. Let's see. Next thing I want to do is I'm going to place some more of those, but I want to place my kitchen cabinets. Kitchen cabinets are not the same as vanities. Let's look at this vanity and some of the details regarding this vanity. Its depth is 2 feet from the front to the back where it comes in contact with the wall. Its height is about 18 inches, or no, more than 18 inches, 2 feet 6 inches. So that makes it about what, 30 inches or so. And everything else, this is all pretty much the same down here. Now, if we load a kitchen cabinet, which of course you don't have to do it that way, just go to load model and then look for base cabinets. Base cabinets are the cabinets that are on the bottom. And if you go into your kitchen right now, you can see some cabinets on the bottom and some cabinets on the top. The ones on the top are called wall cabinets. But we're going to place a basic base cabinet. And we'll start with the one that has the sink in it. Well, yeah, the one that has the sink in it for where we're going to wash our dishes and what have you. Click open, and we'll flip it around again. Oops, and then we'll put this over here, close to this wall, and we'll kind of build off of that. I'm going to place it right here. There'll be a window right there. Okay. Everything will be nice. You can look outside while you're washing the dishes. But let's take a look at that. We'll go to edit type, and we can see that it is a little taller. Okay, its height is 2 foot 10.5 inches. So it's a little bit taller than the vanity, the bathroom casework. So keep that in mind. Don't place vanities in your kitchen, and don't place kitchen type cabinetry in your bathrooms. Not good. All right. So that's really it to placing casework. As you see, there's all different choices that you have of different sizes, different drawer layouts. Okay, there's one for a built-in dishwasher, corner cabinets. All of that is in Schoology for you to help you. I mean, not Schoology, Revit to help you lay out your casework. But just choose between those and complete your casework design. And I'm going to choose this one and I'm just going to place them around. And I don't want to get too close to the door. I kind of want to leave a little bit, about that much space. And here too, of course, I got that refrigerator going in here, so I can't close that space off. I can, however, come over here and place some cabinets on this wall. And I can also place some on this wall. That's the one kind of leading into the living room. And of course, I'll adjust the distance that I have there. You see, I'm kind of getting real close to that, or actually I'm kind of overlapping into that doorway. So, oops, I wasn't supposed to do that. There we go. All right. And I think that one's backwards. But anyway. Okay. Now let's move it. All right. So we've placed our casework. The next thing we want to do after placing casework is we also want to put some countertops on our casework. And the countertops are found in the same folder, I believe. And no, they're not. Let me go up. Countertops right there. Countertop. And there are different ones. There is one with a sink hole to one side, one with a double sink already in it. And then there's just a plain countertop and different other countertops and holes and everything else. Just about anything you can think of. These can be, some of them can be edited, or you can actually even draw your own cabinet top, which I'll have another video following this one to show you how to customize one. And actually I'm going to have to customize one because none of these are going to fit my layout that I have. As you see, I've got my sink here, or actually I could put my sink in this one and just use let's see, not that one. For some reason I keep defaulting back to, oh wait, no. I don't know. Here we go. Never mind that. Let's see, that's for an island. Countertop. There we go. Countertop with sink RFA. And it's already got a sink in it. And I can just kind of place it right over here. And most of these are adjustable to a degree. I'm actually going to have larger base cabinets too, because you can see my sink is kind of overlapping those cabinets. So I would either have to kind of change that a little bit with the base cabinets, or even just do some carpentry work to that to fix it. This is the part that is adjustable, is the length of this particular cabinet or countertop. And I definitely want to pull that to where it is closer to the cabinet. Typically there's about a 1/2 inch to 3/4 overhang on the ends, and I don't know if this accounts for that already. It may not. You can fix all that in your elevation and check that out. There's my sink. And then, of course, on these, I'm just going to put regular old countertops. So you know how to do that now. You know where the countertops are at, and you know how to place them. By default, they're already set at the correct level, so you don't have to adjust any levels to get them to place on top of your casework. So there we are. That's how you do that.